Mm.
Kids and grown-ups love it so, the happy road, the Haribo.
Hey!
You speak like Duff's voice, Ben.
Will you stop saying Dove's voice? She's BBC Children Lead.
Far for that is not, so the 15th of November 20.